Welcome to my backyard this beautiful fall morning. Today I am going to do a fruit refresh on the backyard, just plant a few things and do a little basic cleanup. My backyard is one of my favorite spots. This is my lemon tree. Can you see the lemons? They blend in really well with the leaves right now. As you can see, the yard needs a little bit of upkeep. The patio has projects on the table and plants that need to be replaced. So that's what we're doing today. Cleaning up a little bit and planting new plants, some chrysanthemums and things that will be good for the fall. I have a stand here that I had a plant on, and it just started eating away there. So I am filling it with some foam filler, and then I will paint it and put my plant back on it. It goes in the corner of the patio. So I'm just doing this quick little fix for it. And this is the product that I used. I do love the backyard. I'm going to keep the petunias in this pot and just put the little geranium in the middle of it. And hopefully, if I water better, I can get them all thriving again. It's just been hot enough this summer that I just have not wanted to go out every day and water like I should have. But in the evening times, I love to go out and sit, but lately the mosquitoes have been bad. So now that the weather's cooling off, I'm very excited about spending more time outside and enjoying the new flowers that I'm planting and a clean space. I'm pulling out or cleaning up a geranium that I had there, just cutting back the dead parts. And then that little chrysanthemum I put in the same pot. And again, hope that as I water the chrysanthemum, the geranium will come back out. The one that's in that pot is a lighter shade of pink. And that brighter little pink one we just planted. Just add a little bit of fresh potting soil. And this pot already had a chrysanthemum in it, and then I added this new one today. Some aloe vera there is looking really bad. It's probably sitting in a place that gets too much sun. My little fountain there is gotten pretty crusty with algae and stuff, so I'm going to clean that up today. The little yellow finches love that when it's running. They'll come and get a drink out of that. They like the moving water. And then in the evening, instead of the fountain flowing, then it lights up, and that makes a pretty little spotlight there too, around that nice, pretty, goodness, I just forgot the name of lantana, the orange lantana there. And the hummingbirds seem to really like the lantana as well. So I'm cleaning this, putting fresh water, and then putting the little fountain back in to just float there and be sure it's washed off. I have different little spouts to put, or nozzles to put on there, so it flows different, but all of them seem to make it flow too far and it goes out and it empties too quick, so I just leave them off. And there's the little stand with the plant back on it, nicely freshly painted white. And a few little plants that I planted today. The wind is really coming up. Did get a little bit of the yard mowed, and then the lawnmower stopped on me, and then I went back out and did some more, so I've got the sprinklers going on that. I just love the smell of freshly cut grass and the sound of the sprinklers going.